Okay guys, the MAVIC Air 2S has been out for 5 hours now, so I have spent the past 5 hours going through MAVIC Air 2S reviews. There is one thing I was looking for in particular that I did not find. Now, quite rightly, they've been given this drone an amazing review. DJI products are always of a high standard. They've got everything you need. They're highly portable. It's going to have a great image sensor on there, like a really great image sensor. It's got improved range. It's got a great battery life. Its active track is amazing. They've got great quick shots. There are so many reasons why this is such an amazing drone. And actually, you can start to use this drone quite easily at a professional level. The one thing that is missing that I have not seen on any video is the fact it does not have a CMARC classification on it. Now, if you are living outside of Europe, this doesn't matter to you. And if you have a GVC, again, this won't matter to you because you will be able to fly it outside of the open category and fly it in the specific category. However, if you are in Europe and you don't have any qualifications to fly this drone, it's going to be pretty much illegal to fly it anywhere. Now you need to keep this drone 150 meters away from any recreational, industrial, residential or commercial area, which there's going to be very few of in the UK. Parks and beaches are included in this, and if someone's walking in one of the places where you do choose to fly this drone, you still need to be 50 meters away from them. These are huge restrictions. So this is something that nobody's mentioned. Now, to be fair, the vast majority of reviews I've seen on this drone are from America, and if you live in America, this is going to be an amazing drone. I have seen a few in Europe and they've just completely ignored this entire fact, so it's something I feel is really important to highlight. Now, if you want the hobbyist qualification, you can go and get the A2 CFC, and for legacy drones you can fly these 50 meters away from people pretty much anywhere, which is pretty huge. The huge thing about this is a transitional period, and this is going to run out on the 1st of January 2023. So if you've just spent £1,300 on a drone, I would personally want it to last longer than 20 months before I can't really use it. The other thing we can do is do our GVC. This is a professional level qualification. It's going to cost you between £400 to £500. It's going to take a fair amount of time, a lot of learning, and you're going to need to do a practical flight test. So if you want to fly this as a hobbyist, there's not actually a lot we can do to get around these laws as it stands. Now, I personally believe these laws are a bit rushed and not well thought through, but as it stands at the moment, this drone is going to be really restricted in where it can fly. Now, as I say, I don't want to knock the drone. I think DJI have done such a great job. Like, I really want one of these drones, and I'm doing my GVC at the moment, and there's still part of me that thinks I might get one of these drones. But for a vast amount of hobbyists, this is going to be a huge risk, and it might be something, even with an A2 CFC, that could be fairly short-lived. And there's going to be replacement drones coming out soon. Now if you have your heart set on getting a drone right now, the thing I would recommend is taking a good look at the Mini 2. In my opinion, it's the only drone I would consider buying at the moment as a beginner, and even as a semi-professional. You're going to get your 4K footage, which is fairly decent. It's not going to be anywhere near as good as the MAVIC Air 2S with its 1-inch sensor, but again, it's very usable and very easy to fly, and it also bypasses a lot of laws, which means you're not going to need to go out and get any specific qualifications to fly it. Okay guys, if you're interested in seeing a review on this, I'm going to leave a link in the top right hand corner now in the description down below. I just believe before you go out and buy this drone in Europe, this is something that you deserve to know. I'm not saying don't buy it at all. I think it's a great drone. I just feel this has been overlooked on so many channels, and it's something that I think we really need to draw attention to. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it at that. If you have found this video useful, hitting that like button is a huge help to me as a creator, and hitting the subscribe button is an even bigger help still. And if I see anything else like this, you'll be the first to know, because I'll highlight it straight away. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.